Hello Standard 5 students. In this video, we'll be sharing solutions to all the questions in chapter number 1, Roman Numerals of your mathematics textbook for your reference to help you understand the concepts, complete your notebook or prepare for exams. We hope you found this video helpful. For more videos of other chapters from Standard 5, visit our channel Shaykh Academy. Share this video with your friends to help them with the solutions to this chapter. Don't forget to subscribe.